Hi students, let's see ratio and proportion. Today's topic is questions based on numbers. So please make sure that you are watching the previous videos before watching this one, because it is a series of videos. Ready? So let's start the first question. Three numbers are in the ratio 10:15:24. If their sum is 98, find the greatest number. So first here what we will do means we will take the total sum of the ratios. That means sum of the ratios. Ratios equals, we will add it 10 plus 15 plus 24. How much you will get? Yes, 49. After that, the total number is already given 98, isn't it? Now what do you want? Find the greater number. Therefore, the greater number is greater number means what you do? The greater ratio will be belongs to the greater number. Ready? That means 24 divided by the total ratio. How much you got? 49. That means 24 divided by 49 into the total sum. What is that? 98. Ready? Now 49 ones are, see, I am cancelling by 49. 49 ones are 49. 49 twos are 98. That means we got it. 24 into 2. That means what you will get? 48. So the greater number is 48. Ready? Let's go to the next question. There are 400 students in a school. The boys and the girls are in the ratio 5:3. If 50 new girls are enrolled in the school, then what ratio will be between the boys and the girls? So in this question already given boys and girls ratio, isn't it? Sum of the ratios, what you will do? Sum of the ratios. Ratios means 5:3. That means you will write 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now we will find out the number of girls first. Therefore, number of girls equals 3. Because ratio between boys and girls is 5:3. That means girls ratio is 3. That means 3 by 8 into the total students in the school. What is that? 400. Now we'll cancel by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 how many times 40? 8 fives are 40. And this 0 will write. That means we'll get 3 into 50, that is 150. Ready? After that, number of boys in the school. Number of boys. Number of boys means the boys ratio divided by the total ratio into the total students in the school. That means what you will do? 5 by 8 into 400. Same style, 8 ones are, 8 fives are 40 and 0. That means 5 into 50. 5 50s are 250. Check the question now. If 50 new girls are enrolled in the school, 50 new girls are coming. That means what will happen? The number of girls will increase to, it is already 150. So 50 new girls are coming means now the total number of girls will be 150 plus 50, because 50 girls are enrolled extra, isn't it? That means the total number of girls in the school is now 200. And of course the boys number is not changing. Now what do you want? We want the ratio between boys and girls now. That means what you'll do? 250, that is boys number divided by girls number, now 200. So we'll divide it. 0, 0 will cancel. Now we'll cancel by 5. 5 fours are 25. How many times? 5 fives are. So we'll get 5 by 4. That means the ratio is 5:4. I hope you can understand. I'll read the next question. 4:5:3 is the ratio of the students in 3 classes. Students in each classes increased by 15. It made the ratio 5:6:4. So this time we'll do bit different method. What we'll do means we'll be taking the first class number is 4x, second class the students number is 5x, and the third class the number of students is 3x. I am not writing the step because in exam it's not mandatory to write all the steps. You need to write very fast the answers. Got it? So please make sure that you are watching the previous videos, otherwise you won't catch up with me. Ready? Okay. So 4x is the first class student's number, 5x is the second class student's number, 3x is the third class student's number. Now what happened? Each class's 15 is added. That means what will happen? 4x plus 15. After that, second class what happened? 5x plus 15, and the third class we got 3x plus 15. But they give, after adding 15 in each classes, the ratio made it into, what is the ratio then? 5 is to 6 is to 4. See, after adding 15 students in each classes, the ratio made it into 5 is to 6 is to 4. Ready? Now what will do? Mean first, second, here first, second will take. Will not take 3. That means what will do? This implies 4x plus 15 is to 5x plus 15 equals 5 is to 6. Because we want to find out the common ratio x. For that what we done? We are taking first 2 terms and from the right side first 2 terms. Ready? That means this implies 4x plus 15 divided by, ratio means divided by 5x plus 15 equals 5 by 6. Let's cross multiply. Ready? That implies 5 into 5x plus 15 equals 6 into this 2. What is that? 4x plus 15. Ready? This implies, now 5 into 5x, that is 25x. We are opening the bracket, plus 5 into 15, that is 75 equals 6 into 4, 24x. Again 6 into 15, that is 90. Now x term, that is 24x, will bring to this side and 75 will carry to right side. That means what will happen? 25x minus 24x, because plus comes to next side, minus equals 90. 75 plus goes next side, minus 75. That means 25x minus 24x, that is 1x, that means x. So x equals 90 minus 75, that means 15. Ready? Now what do you want to find out? We want to find out the number of students in the third class. Therefore the number of students in the, therefore the number of students in the third class equals, what will happen? Third class, the ratio is 3x. That means what you will do? 3x equals 3 into 15, that is 3 15s are 45. Next question, 25% of a number is same to 20% of another number. Find the ratio between two numbers. Ready? So let's start the work. I am taking A is the first number, B is the second number. So it's already given 25% of the first number is equal to 20% of the second number B. Ready? Percentage means out of 100, isn't it? That means what you will do? 25 divided by 100 into A equals 20 divided by 100 into B. Because percentage means out of 100. Both sides 100 will cancel. That means we will get 25 into A equals 20 into B. Now I am keeping here A and 25 will carry to next side. If multiplication goes next side, divide. And this multiplication B comes to next side, divide. That means A by B equals 20 divided by 25. Here we can cancel by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 how many times? 20. 5 4s are. So we got it. 4 by 5 equals 4 is to 5. That means the answer is 4 is to 5. Ready? Now we will be doing some questions which already came in SSC. Ready? So please make sure that you are practicing nicely. I'll read the question once. The ratio of the numbers of males and females in a club is 5 is to 6. If 22 females leave the club, the ratio becomes reverse. The number of males in the club is option A 40, B 50, C 55, D 60. Of course it came in SSC Tax Assistant 13/12/2009 question paper. Ready? See, already given the ratio of the number of males and females in the club is 5 is to 6. Ready? That means 5 is to 6 already given. That is males and female. That means the number of males will be 5x and the number of females will be 6x. This will be male and this will be female. Ready? So now what happened? If 22 females leave the club means what will happen? Minus, that means here 6x minus 22, because 22 females are leaving the club. Now what happened? The ratio between the male and female is reverse. First one, it was 5:6. Now reverse means what will happen? 6:5, isn't it? Because 5:6, if you reverse means it will be 6:5. That means what will happen? The ratio between male and female, that means 5x is already there, because the male number is not changed. That is 5x. But of course the female number is now 6x minus 22 equals, now it will not be 5:6, it will be 6:5. That means 6/5. Let's cross multiply. That means what will happen? These two. That means 6x minus 22 into 6 equals 5 into 5x. Ready? That means 6 into 6x. See, opening the bracket. 6 into 6. That means 36x minus 22 into 6. That is 132. Multiply and check it. After that, 5 5s are 25x. Now, this 25x will carry to left side. Minus 132 will go to right side. That means what will happen? 36x minus 25x equals 132. Now 36x minus 25x, that means 11x equals 132. Now we'll cancel by 11. 11 ones are 11. When you cancel here by 11, 11 ones are 11. From 13 we will get 11. Balance is 2. 2 means 22. 22 means 2 11s are 22. Therefore, x equals 12. Ready? Now, what do you want in the question? We want to find out the number of males in the club. Therefore, number of males in the club means what will happen? Number of male means 5x. That means 5 into x equals 5 into 12 equals 60. That means the correct option is D, that is 60. Okay, let's see the next question. I'll read the question once. The ratio between two numbers is 2:3. If each number is increased by 4, the ratio between them becomes 5:7. The difference between the number is option A 8, B 6, C 4, D 2. Of course, it came in SSC Tier 1 19/6/2011. Let's start the answer now. See, it's already given the ratio between the two numbers is 2:3. But it's given each number is increased by 4. That means what will happen? You can take the two numbers as 2x and 3x. That means we'll write 2x and 3x. But each number is increased means what will happen? Plus 4, here also plus 4. Because the ratio between the two numbers is 2:3. That means 2x and 3x are the numbers. So if you add 4 means what will happen? If you increase 4, then their ratio will convert into 5:7, becomes 5:7. That means 5/7. Let's cross multiply. That means what you'll do? 5 into 3x plus 4 equals 7 into 2x plus 4. We'll open the bracket. 5 into 3, that is 15x plus 5 into 4, 20 equals 7 into 2, 14, x is here, plus 7 4s are 28. Now x time, that is 14x will come to left side and 20 will carry to right. That means 15x minus 14x equals 20 is already here. So 20 goes next side, minus 20. Now 15x minus 14x, 15 minus 14, 1. 1x means x. X equals 28 minus 28. Now we want the difference between the numbers. Difference between the number means the numbers are 2x and 3x. See, the numbers are 2x and 3x means difference of the numbers. Difference of the numbers means 3x minus 2x. Ready? 3x minus 2x means 1x. That means x. X means 8. That means the correct option is A, that is 8. Ready? Let's see the next question. In a school, the ratio of the boys to girls is 4:3 and the ratio of girls to teacher is 8:1. The ratio of students to teacher is option A 56 is to 3, B 55 is to 1, C 49 is to 3, D 56 is to 1. Of course, it came in SSC 4/10/2012 question paper. Let's see the answer. But before doing that, you check it that, see what is there. Please see that one. If x is to y equals a is to b. See that? If x is to y equals a is to b and y is to z equals m is to n, then what will happen? If you want to find out x is to y is to z equals am is to bm is to n. So this one have to be careful. Ready? So now in this question it's already given the ratio of the boys and girls. So I am taking boys is to girls equals, what is that? 4:3. After that, what is given? The ratio of the girls to the teacher. So girls to teacher is given. How much is that? 8:1. Now we will find out boys, girls and teacher together. Ready? That means what will happen? Boys is to girls is to teacher equals, that equation means what you will do? 4 into 8, 4 into 8 is to 3 into 8 is to 3 into 1. Ready? You check it that formula. Please study the formula and keep. Ready? Now this equals 4 8s are 32 is to 8 3s are 24, or 3 8s are 24 is to 3 1s are 3. Ready? This is the ratio of boys, girls and the teacher. But in the question, we have to find out the ratio between the students and the teacher. Students and teacher means you have to add it boys and girls together. Because students means boys and girls together. That means what you will do? 32 plus 24 equals 56. Now, students is to teacher means 56, that is the students, because girls and boys together is students. Now 56 is to teacher one is 3. That means the correct option is A, that is 56 is to 3. Okay, let's see the next question. Two numbers are in the ratio 9:16. If each number is increased by 15, then the ratio becomes 2:3. The numbers are option A 36 and 48, B 27 and 48, C 18 and 32, D 24 and 36. It came in CPO SI 27/5/2012. Let's see the answer now. Two numbers are in the ratio. That means the numbers are 9x and 16x. Because the numbers are 9:16 means 9x and 16 are the numbers. Now what happened? Each number is increased by 15. That means 9x plus 15 and of course 16x plus 15. Each number is increased by 15. The ratio becomes, ratio means dividing. These two divide. Equals is already given how much? 2:3 means 2/3. Let's cross multiply now. That means what you will do? 2 into 16x plus 15 equals 3 into 9x plus 15. Ready? That means this implies 2 into 16, that is 32x plus 2 into 15, that is 30 equals 3 into 9, that is 27x plus 3 into 15, that is 45. Now 27 will carry to left, 30 will carry to right. That means 32x minus 27x, because 27x is plus, comes next side minus, equal 45 is already here, plus 30 goes next side, minus 30. Now this implies 32x minus 27x, that is 5x, equals 45 minus 13, that is 15. Now both sides we can cancel by 5. 5 ones are 5. When you cancel here by 5, 5 threes are 15. That implies x equals 3. So we want the numbers. That means 9x. 9x equals 9 into x means 3 equals 27. And again 16x, next number. That means 16x equals 16 into 3. That means 48. So the numbers are 27 and 48. That means the right option is B, that is 27 and 48. Ready? Let's see the next question. The ratio of the father's age to his son's age is 7:3. The product of their age is 756. The ratio of the ages after 6 years will be option A 11:7, B 13:9, C 2:1, D 5:2. Of course, it came in SSC 4/11/2012. Ready? It's already given the ratio of the father age to son age is 7:x. That means father age is 7x and son age means what will happen? It will be 3x. Now what happened? Their product is already given. That means what you'll do? These two will multiply. 7x into 3x equals 756. Now both sides we can cancel by 7. No need to multiply, it will be double work. So just will cancel. 7 ones are 7. When you cancel here by 7, 7 ones are 7. After that 5 we can't cancel by 7. So put one 0. Careful. 7 you can't cancel in 5. That means what will happen? 0 will put, after that 56. 7 8s are 56. That means we got now x into 3x equals 108. Ready? Now we will cancel by 3. 3 ones are 3. When you cancel here by 3, 3 3s are 9. Balance is 1 because out of 10 we took 9. Balance is 1. That means 18. 18 means 3 6 are 18. That means now what you got? X into x equals 36. X into x means x square 2 times. That means x square equals 36. I hope you can understand. Therefore, x equals square will go to the next side, square root 36. That means we will get 6. See, if you have doubt for how to take square root and all, we have some other videos. So please. So if you have doubts about the square root, make sure that you are watching the previous videos because there are some videos belongs to square roots and all. Ready? Okay. Now we got x are 6. Now what you will do? The father age. Father age means already here 7x. 7x means what will happen? 7 into x means we got 6. So 7 6 are 42. And now son age is 3 into x. That means 3 into 6. That means 18. Now what happened after 6 years? What will be the age of father? After 6 years. So after 6 years, father age will be, what will happen? 42 plus 6. That means what will get? 48. This is the father age. And son age will be 18 plus 6. That means 24. After 6 years, father age will be 48 and son age will be 24. Therefore, their ratio means what you will do? 48 divided by 24. That I am cancelling by 24. 24 ones are 24. 24 twos are 48. That equals 2 by 1 equals 2:1. I am just cancelling direct. If you have doubt, kindly cancel by small numbers. Ready? So we got it 2:1. That means what? The right option is C, that is 2:1. See, we got it now this part. So please wait for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and wait for the balance.